Hi Primary 4, here's our handwriting for this week. We're doing a V and a W join because it's pretty much the same thing. So we're going to start with a line of van. So we want the V to go down, up, then across into the A and into the N. Okay, I think this one's the best one. Won. I won a trophy. So down, up, across to the O and to the N. Down, up, O, N. Remember, we want to see each separate letter. The W, the O, and the N. I'm going to do this one. Then I've got two sentences. First one is a worm in a wig. So capital letter to start it. Remember, we want our letters to sit on the line. Next one is a van on a volcano. Okay, have a go. Look forward to seeing it. Bye.